And we are back for week 3, which is like week 7 of distance learning, but whatever. We have been working on life science for the past 2 weeks, but this week our mystery is going to involve Earth and space science. Take a look at the book. This book again is from Eric and Natalie Yoder. I don't make these up. Not yet anyway, but it's coming. Let's go ahead and get started. This week is all about teachers. I'm going to read this mystery story. It involves 3 teachers that are each going to say a brief statement, and then based off of their statements, you have to figure out which subjects they teach. There's going to be a math teacher, a science teacher, and an English teacher. So let's see if you can pick up on their clues to figure out what they teach, and then you will submit your answers on the next post. Okay, so it's called Cloudy on the Concept. Welcome back to school for another year of learning. This year, instead of staying in the same room all day, you'll rotate around to 3 new teachers who specialize in math, science, and English. They have made up a special test. If you can figure out which teacher will teach which subject based on what each teacher says, you won't have to do homework for the first week of school. That sounds like an awesome deal because nobody really likes to do homework. Well, I kind of like to do homework, but okay, back to the riddle. So, a man who looked like he had just graduated from college took the microphone. I'm Mr. Banks, and since there are 71 students in your grade this year, we'll be dividing the class into 3 equal groups. And this will help everyone learn more good, he said. Well, I'm Miss Smith, a tall woman with glasses said, and don't worry, you'll get to know Mr. Banks and Miss Nico and I very well. A blonde woman, who I guess was Miss Nico, then stood up and said, you'll all go to recess together, though, which should be no problem today since the sky is clear, except for some nimbo-cirrus clouds. Principal Tucker retook the microphone. Now, based on what they said, which teacher is teaching which subject? Susanna wrote on a piece of paper and handed it to the principal and put away her notebook. I won't be doing any homework until next week, she said. What did you write? Her friend Anna asked. Do you think it's the science teacher, the math teacher, the English teacher? Post your answers on the next post. Bye.